Yeah, I have some bass lyrics ready just for a demo. A rough draft demo, whatever you
Do you want to use the headphones to record? Because I don't know how this playback thing is going to work.
Yeah, just throw me the headphones. I'll get some vocals.
They're already set up. They're in. And then you unplugged this, correct?
Yeah, no, I didn't.
It's not going to screech, is it?
It's this one.
Yeah.
Hopefully it doesn't.
Hello?
Do you know how to use an interface?
Do I know how to use an interface? I certainly hope so.
You're on input 1. I'm going to take shit with this one.
Okay.
This should work very similar to GarageBand. So you got to make sure the both red dots are on for whatever track you're recording on. So it's on for vocals 1. If you pause, it's gonna go away to the red dot right here. Every time you record, just make sure you click it. It's very simple. And if it's not, you want to make sure that you're getting a good read. Like this is a perfect read.
Yeah.
See how tiny this is? You wouldn't want that. You want to make sure it's pretty. Obviously, if you sing lower, it's going to be, whatever. But if your main volume should be very level.
Gotcha.
Which we can tweak with compression. But if you need it to be louder, turn this all the way down or crank it. If you need it quieter, tune it back. But I'm assuming you're not going to be yelling much, so I'm going to put you here.
Yeah.
But you can adjust that. Make sure you
Okay,
have the,
so if I screw up a vocal track, can I just click backspace on the vocal track, or that delete everything?
Yeah, as long as you're on the vocal track, you can delete it, whatever. And if you don't know what to do with it, you can move it.
Gotcha.
Here, I'm just gonna balance this thing real quick. I don't need this. Cool. I'm gonna see if I can find it here.
fucking phone was plugged in. God damn it. Yeah. Dancing and sun where the deserts turn hills. I want you to know this. I'm not around. Okay. The fuck is happening? This is so foreign to me. What the fuck? My god. Dancing in sand and sun where the deserts turn hills, to the city with the bridges and a heart melted from steel. I struggle to grow old with you and merely pass the days, and yet we are alone together, rotting in our age. This thing is so fucking weird. Down in San Antone where the deserts turn hills, to the city with the bridges and a heart melted from steel. I struggle to grow old with you, merely pass the days, and yet we're here alone together, rotting in our age. Zero turned to nothing, nothing here and nothing well. Nothing lies with nothing men around, nothing standing still. And yet I ponder something, if I'd ask, please do not tell. I was merely nothing to you. Was I even real? Yes, I kind of like what I did with this here. I screwed up like a couple times, but this is like the basic gist of it. I need to get like the simple harmony of it down.
As you can tell by the looks of it, I couldn't find it.
No, it's all good.
I don't know.
I really like how this ended though, and I don't know if you could second me on that, but
I have a general idea of how I want the vocals to be. I kind of want them to sound just like I want them to descend with the guitar, but I'm ready to listen.
I don't know if I'm playing this correctly. This is like take one, so.
Here, can you turn the volume up? I like it. I actually like it a lot.
Wait,
I like the lyrics. It's not what I interpreted, but I like it a lot. I like it a lot. I like your lyrics.
cool.
Yeah, no, this is not what I like envisioned, but I'm not. That's not saying I dislike it. I really like this.
Good.
If you want to keep fucking around, I'm gonna write some lyrics too, and we'll just
Cool.
If mine don't work, if yours don't work, we can put them for later, another song. But
Yeah,
it's good to just throw it out.
I need to figure out the sound of the vocals on this though, because I keep screwing up this one part. I don't know what kind of vibe it's giving me. It's. I feel like did I move this?
I'm really excited about this because I think we can change it a lot, but in a good way. Like we can just shift directions from what I had, because there really wasn't much of one other than like love song.
Yeah.
Love doesn't have to mean happy.
Down in San Antonio, where the resident. I already fucked it up. It's okay. Whatever. Fuck off. Down in San Antonio, where the desert's 10 hills, to the city with the bridges and a heart melted from steel. I struggle to grow old with you and merely pass the days, and yet we're here alone together, rotting in our age. Zero turned to nothing, nothing here and nothing will. While nothing lives with nothing men, while nothing standing still. And yet I ponder something, if I ask, please do not tell. If I was nothing to you, then was I even real? Pro Tools is so fucky. This is weird.
It's hard to get used to. I still.
I am so lost right now.
Yeah, it's because there's so much. Like there's so many
Oh
options.
my god.
What do you need help with?
Nothing. I'm just like, what the fuck? Down in San Antonio, where the deserts turn hills, to the city with the bridges and a heart melted from steel. I struggle to grow with you and really past the days, and yet we're here alone together, rotting in our age. Zero turn to nothing, nothing here and nothing will. Oh, nothing lives with nothing and with nothing standing still. And yet I ponder something. If I ask, please do not tell. If I was nothing to you, then was I even real? Down in San Antonio, where the deserts turn hills, to the city with the bridges and a heart melted from steel. I struggle to grow with you and really pass the days, and yet we're here alone together, rotting in our age. Zero turn to nothing, nothing here and nothing with. On nothing lives with nothing written on nothing standing still. And yet I ponder something. If I ask, please do not tell. If I meant nothing to you, then was I even real? San Antone, where the deserts turn hills, to the city with the bridges and a heart melted from steel. I struggled to grow up with you and nearly past the days, and yet we're here alone together, rotting in our age. Zero turned to nothing, nothing's here and nothing will. Our nothing lies with nothing then, while nothing's standing still. And yet I found something, if I ask, please do not tell. If I meant nothing to you, then was I even real? You lay in bed, I fold the clothes, I polish off the kitchen with the chemicals wrong. I clock in at 7 sharp and you can't even show. It's been this way and is this way until we're 6 below. I'm just your worker working, the garnish to your bone. I aim for 60-40, but to 95 I'll go. A rope this way and will forever, as long as I know that somewhere in your heart you love me. Don't leave me all alone. Just co-working. That child takes up time of ours, but our evening is cut. I've died 20 times over for a second chance to bloom. I could challenge 1,000 miles higher in my life for you. And yet I know you lose me, that if it were true. I try to get you co-working in a house into a home. You brush me off and push away, and that's okay, you know. Just doesn't love you, you found my heart. And second coming comes from heart. Make the start. I'm just your worker working. You lay in bed. I fold the clothes. I polish off the kitchen table with chemicals from home. I clock in at 7 sharp and you can't even show. It's been this way and is this way until we're 6 below. I'm just your worker working. The garnish to your bowl. I aim for 60-40, but to 95 I'll go. I'll work this way and I'll work forever, as long as I know that somewhere in your heart you love me. Don't leave me all alone. I'm just your worker working. That child takes up time of ours, but a glance could pull me through. I die 20 times over for a second chance to bloom. Like a challenger 1,000 miles high in my life for you. And yet I know you'd give me up if the opposite were true. I try to get you co-working, turn a house into a home. But you brush me off and push away, and that's okay, you know. I understand your love for you in the confines of my heart. The second coming comes, I will not make the start. Okay, slight direction off course. I just combined the two. So that co-working song that I wrote,
Yeah.
I didn't have access to the lyrics because my phone was recording earlier, so I just rewrote it in a second version, and I just threw it in here to see how it'll sound, and I think it's sounding alright. I think it's meshing with the song well. If this song is 4 minutes long, I don't know how it took up all that time because the song is not even.
Well, I mean, it's a loop of 12 measures.
Okay.
I'm gonna start a new session, but it's gonna be very similar to this, just to have it more polished. But it'll be a lot quicker now that I have an idea.
Okay, is it like the same instrumental?
I'm just gonna polish it, and I'm gonna change the lead guitar part just a little bit. It's a little punchy toward the end that I don't like, but everything's gonna be pretty much the same. care if I start that new session?
Huh?
Yeah, I want to hear this off.
Yeah, do you want to hear what I have?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I'm gonna have to operate this for you.
I can't lie. Is it narcissistic to say that I want to fucking sob?
Is that good?
I think all of it's good. I think it's everything. I think your vocals are really good. I think the lyrics are good. I mean, I know you were kind of riffing, but there were some good ones in there. But fuck, I think this is like what stinks is this isn't a title track, but I think it's an incredible piece. Like I think it's gonna be an incredible piece.
I kind of like it. Like I mean, like I'm not like too comfortable with like my vocals all the time, but like I think like at least for this song, the whispery sound worked. And like it's a little rough around the edges, but like even as a demo, I think this is pretty good. Like I think I don't even think like light drums would be fine, cause like I'm like listening to it and like I can't imagine like any sort of like heavy drums.
I want a clarinet in there.
Clarinet would be
And a
sick.
harp, like I want this to be a dreamscape.
It kind of like what's it called? There's that one Cameron Winter song where it's just like it's at the end, I think. Are you gonna like, you know, Rolling Stones, like the title track, or not the title track, the opening track of his album, where it's just like the thing playing again. That's not a harp. I believe it's a guitar, but
It's a sitar, like one of those Indian guitars.
yeah, something like that. I don't know, like something like that.
I want this to be like the most like dreamy, angelic. I don't really know. You know, like just I don't want it to feel real.
Yeah.
Like this is kind of a piece to me, and it's like I don't really care if anyone likes it or not. You know,
Yeah.
which I think incidentally is gonna make it good.
And I didn't even finish the song. Like the loop was too short. I still have like another. This is not recorded.
I do think I want this to be more of a love song, but I think having a verse of sad lyrics I think would be really good for it.
Well, it all ties together in the end. I made it kind of like just like a sad, melancholic like piece, cause like I mean I'll re-record it once you re-loop everything. But yeah, there's still this much left, and I think it'll like tie it together if it works. And like this doesn't have to be the final draft at all. But I think we need to save everything as like a demo.
Yeah. I tried to come up with like 1,000 fucking lyrics. I couldn't come up with anything. So it's just like word vomit. I'm gonna polish this up.
Polish it up.
I'm gonna save this.
Mhm.
I'm gonna bounce it, and then I'm going to just since this is session 1.
Yeah. Make sure you save the stems for it too, just in case.
The stems. What do you mean?
Like the individual instrument track.
Oh yeah, I'm not deleting anything. That's why I'm making a whole new one. Do you want me to bounce this to you?
Yes.
Alright, I'll airdrop